up 2-1 after winning that third set. They are only one set away from getting into the finals and wait for the winner of that De La Salle and FEU match on Wednesday. Of course, this set number 3 won by UST. Combination plays going their way. Adamson having some difficulties mid-portion of the set. They tried to have a late run, and unfortunately UST was up ahead already by 4 big points and they weren't able to close it out. But big factor for UST was that again they controlled the block. They had better reception comparing it to Adamson's reception. And out those combination plays, and what happened was the sets that they were playing was that it was so predictable already, and UST was right there. 15 attack points for UST against only 12. Look at this, the blocking of UST working this time 3-1 on first error side at 11 and service aces 2-0. So UST having or doing a better job in receiving and able to set up more plays for the side of Adamson. Galang wasn't really a factor because there wasn't any reception to start the play with. So kita natin na nahihirapan sila when their reception is not going their way.
Set number 4 just underway. Alfafara right on the line with the cross.
Alfafara likes that outside attack. Even if Defante hasn't been really 100% or spot on in his attack, Alfafara's there to give support.
Arbasto gumagawa din. Rico scoring, and the defense at the net very solid for UST. 2-0 to start set number 4. UST is twice to beat. So regardless if they lose today, they can still live to fight another day. Pero for Adamson, this is the last stand. Wala nang susunod dito if they lose here today. And they're down 2-1 against UST.
And they know that. They're playing for their survival here in this season, in this match, in this set.
Good rally between these two teams. Ramos, great block. Alfafara tried to get the check ball. Wala.
And after that miss hit, he looked straight at the bench.
Coach Lonto.
Alam niya may sermon pagkatapos eh.
John Pagtalunan for Adamson.
Alfafara only on his second year, I believe, and last year he was a bench player. Now he starts off with the team.
What a hit from Arbasto that time, Ian, you know?
Alfafara, you know that he's a young player because after a mistake, he looks straight at the bench. Those older guys, pag nagkamali, ba't ako titingin? Alam ko na yan.
Patapos na ako, hindi na ang papagalitan ng mga yan.
Alam mo yung mga senior players, pag nagkakamali, hindi na lumilingon sa coach. Yung mga bago talagang...
Natakot ako. Baka di na ako ipasok sa team next year. Yung mga veteran, wala na ako sa team next year. Bahala na.
Turn back.
Nice block by Rico.
And UST off to a good start here. They're up by 3-4-1.
Look at that timing of the block against Galang.
And Galang saying medyo malapit yata sa net, mababa. So he had no option but to hit it that way.
Yes.
Galang from the other side.
Oh, there's a touch. Oh, our linesman is saying that there was a touch on Jason Ramos when he attempted to dig.
Ramos trying to contest his case, and Ukang also saying na yung mas malapit na linesman walang tinawag. Yung malayo na linesman ang tumawag nung check ball. Pero the call stands. So a point for Adamson on the serve of Hardin. Oh, Ramos binawi.
Ukang again with a good set, delaying everything. Delaying that set to Jason Ramos.
Mark Alfafaro.
Galang.
Galang. That
The
is
Right.
same
already,
attack.
yeah.
Oh, pero this time, call going the way of USD. 6-2 is our score. Tingnan natin itong Adamson.
Bumitaw na naman tayo, bumitaw na naman. Bumitaw na naman tayo. Oh, ayos. Oh, apat yan. Guys, apat yan. Unti-unti unti-unti. Huwag niyo ibibigay, huwag niyo pipitawan, ha? Okay, come on. Sipag.
4-point deficit para sa Adamson. And you know how important this set is when the coach calls a timeout prior,
Yeah.
just 2 points
2 points away.
prior
4 points
to
for
the technical timeout of the set,
That's
which is
right.
at 8 points.
Number
That's right.
4, Mark
And
Hill,
you don't
Alfafaro.
want UST having, a lot of confidence, especially at this early stage of the fourth set. Kailangan pakita nyo na you're in it. You're not giving up.
And it's tough for Adamson, I mean, they've been playing catch-up since set number 1. Ganun sila nanalo nung set 1, humabol sila down by 6.
Team captain
Nung set 2,
Ron
humahabol din sila sa
for
UST. Set 3, pretty much the same thing. So, set number 4, they've got to start well. And
Yeah.
it's still pretty early here in set 4 para makabawi sila. Let's see if they try and do that. Tepante! Finally getting the better of that block that's been his nemesis this entire match.
Yes, that's right. Nakapagpalusot ng bola. A clean hit. Si Depante.
Jason Ramos, team captain for UST.
Nice block.
Competente, nowhere to go. It started with a poor reception para sa Adamson. USD knew perfectly well kung saan pupunta yung bola, and they're back with their lead at 5-8-3. It's set number 4.